With this new XC60, we introduce the second generation of Volvo's best-selling model. It's sold in huge volumes all over the world, and it's the biggest-selling premium SUV in the EU in its segment. With its outstanding engineering, performance, design, and safety, it represents everything that Volvo stands for. The car is longer, lower, wider, and has a longer wheelbase than the predecessor. It's available in 3 different trim levels: Momentum, R-Design, and as this, the luxurious Inscription. It's a stylish SUV, perfectly fitted for an active urban lifestyle. The headlamps are full LED with the Volvo Signum, the Taurus Hammer. That is a combination of turn indicator and position light. Wheels go from 18 to 22 inches with a wide range of unique rims. The beautiful sculptured rear lamps are also full LED. The power-operated tailgate can be controlled by moving the foot under the rear bumper or by your remote key. The rear seat backrest can be folded from switches on the right side panel. On cars with air suspension, you could lower the rear floor 2 inches to make loading of goods easier. To make ingress and egress even easier, the sill is integrated in the door, which allows you to stand closer to the seat when stepping in to the light and spacious interior. A big openable panoramic sunroof is standard. One of many new smart solutions is storage compartments under the back seats. Volvo seats are often regarded as one of the most comfortable on the market. This car has a full power seat with cushion extension, adjustable side support, 4-way lumbar support, heating, ventilation, and massage, all dressed in Nappa leather. The R-Design versions are equipped with a sculptured contour seat for a more dynamic driving experience. Even if the seating position is high, you sit in the car, not on the car. The dashboard is angled towards you for easy reach. The typical Scandinavian design is based on 2 continuous lines across the dashboard. The full graphic instrument cluster is 12.3 inches. And depending on selected driving mode, the information graphics adapts accordingly. The decor inlay is wood, inspired by the beautiful driftwood, shaped by nature. In the heart of the car, you have the beautiful and easy-to-use center stack display. Just swipe and touch to navigate through functions and apps. The premium sound system, developed together with Bowers & Wilkins, is an audio experience like no other. It includes 15 state-of-the-art speakers and an open-air subwoofer. The climate system is a fully automatic 2- or 4-zone setup with an air quality system and multi-filter. To make city driving even more convenient, the turning circle is tight, only 37.4 feet curb to curb. A parking sensor in front and rear, plus a rear-mounted camera, is standard. Parking and maneuvering in tight places is simple thanks to a 360-degree bird-eye camera and a park assist pilot. If you back out from a parking place and a car comes up from the side, the cross-traffic alert system will support you. The new generation of city safety is further developed. The collision avoidance speed for car to car has increased to 37 miles per hour. It can also help you detect an auto brake for pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals. If you have to perform a sudden evasive maneuver to avoid running into another vehicle, the system will support you with brakes and steering to help you maneuver. If you are drifting out of your lane towards an oncoming car, the car will assist you to steer back in lane. The same goes for the blind spot detection. If you change lane and you have a car in the blind spot, and an imminent risk for collision, the car will assist you to steer back. The front axle is a double wishbone type and the rear axle an integral multi-link. The result is a very good handling without compromising comfort. The tuning is set to an inspired confidence, less roll, and a feeling of being connected and in control. There are 3 different chassis: a standard chassis, a sport chassis for the R design, and as option, an air suspension chassis combined with active dampers. The air suspension controls the ride height from comfort to dynamic. The active dampers constantly adapt to the road conditions and driving style and control body movements. Here in the plug-in hybrid, you can select to go all-wheel drive, pure electric, hybrid, power, or off-road. Also, the gear shift knob in the plug-in hybrid is made of luxurious handcrafted crystal glass from Orrefors. This is a T8 twin-engine all-wheel drive. It's a plug-in hybrid. The battery is charged from the grid via this socket. The battery capacity is 10.4 kilowatt hours and it's installed in the center tunnel. And as a hybrid, it's charged also when braking and reducing speed. In the front, a combustion engine, 313 horsepower, equipped with both a compressor and a turbo. A compressor for the low end and mid end revs to get a good torque, and the turbo for higher revs. In addition to that, an electric motor with 87 horsepower propelling the rear wheels. Altogether 400 brake horsepower. With the twin-engine hybrid technology, you get it all. Choose to drive in silence with ultra-low emissions or with maximum performance without compromise. So whether you decide on a plug-in hybrid or a regular combustion engine, you could rest assured that the new XC60 will exceed at every level.